Hey everybody, we got a new video we're going to do here real quick. Always been kind of annoyed with the way these reverse lights are. And on the 2000 Impala, they're tied in with the security flash or whatever you want to call that. So you'll see, it'll kind of give that kind of light right there. So it's that dingy look. So we're going to take a look here. We've got some Lasfit. I forget the number on these actually. These are a 921, 912, etc. So, but they came with a cool little bag here too. Ontario, California. Just a great design. Look at that. So 10 bucks for the two of them. Not dreadfully bad, but what you'll see once we go to get into here, you have to take this whole piece off. So I really don't want to have to be doing this too often. But I would like it to look a little bit nicer. My sister doesn't really care, so that's good because that means I can modify it and she still doesn't care, as long as it works. So let's pop the trunk here and see what's all involved with this. Yeah. So see, we have to take all these little tabs out. Here. So not too dreadful, but it would be a lot nicer. Oh wait, hold on a minute. No, that little cubby is just down here to let room for the plug. So we still have to pull all these little knobs here to get that out. So hang with me and we'll get it switched out. So we'll show you this. So see, there's your little plugs right there. So put you back down here. We'll undo these here. We'll unlock it here and see what it does. Oh man, that's bright. Wow. Okay, well, can't wait to do the rest of it. That was a good idea. Alright. Put it down and see what it looks like. It's dirty. Okay, great. Alright. Wow. Woohoo! That is so much brighter. Look at that. Ding, ding. That is crazy. Okay. Cool. Now we'll try to get a picture. I don't know, not put on Instagram, but get a picture of that and at night see what it looks like. But that is definitely a big improvement. Cool. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Sometimes paying a little bit extra, many times paying a little bit extra, you will get a better deal on LED lights especially. So, but as far as I've seen so far, I would definitely recommend the Lasfit LED lights. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye. Alrighty, so here we are. We got those new Lasfit lights in the Impala here. So we're gonna pop the lights on here in just a second. Let's see how bright they are. Whoa. Wow, that is nice. That'll make it easy to see when you're backing up at night. Look at that. That is just super bright. Man.